I don't understand why so many people behave in ways that quickly lose my respect for them. And some of them are professionals who are not even aware of their offensive skill set. The problem is that we don't frequently think about how our actions affect whether someone respects us or not. And as a result, we are careless about how we acquire or lose respect. To begin, here's what I mean by respect: honoring others through your words and actions.
Wait, did you just utter the word honor?
Absolutely. It's prioritizing someone or something else over ourselves, and the consequence is respect. In reality, most of the time we don't give a second thought to whether or not we are treating others with dignity or respect. Would not it be good to know the rules so we can prevent this? According to my research, there are 3 easy ways to lose respect from people. And strangely, these are the things we do all the time. How we speak to others. It amazes me how individuals communicate with one another. Our words have power, whether they are directed at a coworker, spouse, or total stranger. We might quickly lose respect by the language we use. It has to do with the way we interact with other people. It is most obvious in children. The damage is done in a split second when children truly express what they mean. Quite often the way we say things causes more harm than the words themselves, and we are all aware of it when it happens. We know how to utilize the right edge or tone to give the word that extra oomph to make them stand out. However, what feels wonderful to us may cost us respect in the long run. Time, how it affects others. So many people treat their time with disrespect. This may come as a surprise to you, so allow me to explain with an example. My close friend's boss was known for failing to show up for scheduled meetings, and to make matters worse, he refused to even postpone the meeting. As a result of his activities, he would be able to take my friend prisoner every single week during this pre-arranged phone conversation. It was completely avoidable, yet it conveyed a powerful message to my friend without saying a word. In the end, my friend no longer respected his boss because of how reckless he was in this area and how disrespectful he was of his time. The unfortunate aspect is that I'm not even sure whether his boss knew how disrespectful he was by being careless with someone's time. We can show disrespect by not responding a phone call or email, or by arriving late to a meeting, then inventing an excuse when you know you could have arrived on time with a few minor modifications. We make it all about ourselves, yet we are actually insulting the other person. As a result, they are no longer interested in working with us. Actions, how we follow through. The third and last method to quickly lose respect is through our actions. It's easy to say the right thing and we may even plan to follow through on it, but if we fail to do so, we lose credibility. Intentions have nothing to do with what we do. What determines your final destiny is your current course of action, not your goals. People admire them that follow through. People I know who are habitually late, unreachable through email or phone, and require verbal abuse are not uncommon. They are simply not responsive or productive. It irritates me so much, and as a result, I have lost respect for them. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned something new from it, and if you did, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this.